This exercise is called Reach Through Crunch. The muscle groups we will be working: quads, a little bit of hips, core, and shoulders. First thing we're going to do is we are going to lay down on our back. We are going to raise those legs up into the air, okay? But you're going to raise them at a V, okay? Make a nice V, a nice skinny V. Open up those legs a little bit. Put your hands together, okay? And we're trying to aim for our hands to come through our feet line. That's what we're aiming for. All right, you're not coming down and crunching through the legs. You're trying to reach through the feet. That little feet line up there, it's an invisible line. And the object here is to make sure that the shoulder blades are getting off the ground. All right, so you're reaching for the sky, but you're focusing on getting those shoulder blades off the ground, which is then going to create that crunch and that flex into your core. Okay, and while we're doing that, we're still trying to keep a nice resistance on our legs from not moving around, keeping them held high. Okay, that's what's going to work the quad, and that's what's going to work the hips. All right, but the main focus is reaching those hands up as high as you can. And while we're coming down, though, we also want to focus on not just letting yourself fall down. Control yourself coming down. Take it nice and easy. Okay, if it's easier, inhale going up, exhale coming down. All right, take your time with those breaths. If you get that pace on the breaths, it's going to really focus on using the core a lot more than trying to get as many reps as you can. This is one of the many exercises you will experience in Web Fitness. That's what I'm talking about. Push yourself. I know you got one more. I see it. Come on now. Exactly what you just heard is exactly what you're going to get. A live trainer in front of you to coach you, to motivate you, help fix your form, and help you with every step along the way. All we ask for is a laptop and good internet connection. That's it. It's as simple as that. There's no special equipment needed whatsoever. You can even hook up your laptop to your TV. That choice is yours. The main purpose you're getting is a group fitness class with people from all over the world with a live trainer. But we invented that. We invented a new way to fitness. You're going to be able to track your progress, improve your diet, and work out anywhere you want to. And work out whenever you want to. Schedule your workouts ahead of time. If you know you're going to work out at home, or if you got to go out on a business trip, we got you. Schedule the time that suits best for you at the touch of your finger. It's as simple as that. The app that we have provided you is going to do wonders. You're going to have so many options and so many things to do, you're not going to keep count. Quickly take a picture of your food in our app for our nutritionist to analyze what you're eating to provide you advice on your diet and meal planning. You can also ask questions on a meal or general nutrition questions. You're going to have My Progress. You're going to take pictures each week of your transformation. Watch your measurements. Watch those pounds drop like there's no tomorrow. We have all of that for you. And that's all here at Web Fitness.